Want to know how to start a game in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones website. So once you open that, it should provide you with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, starting a game is pretty simple. You can just simply click once when you first enter the game, and now here you should be seeing start game. If you don't see it, you can just simply select the screen again. So if you want to know how you can know you are in that screen, on the bottom left side you can see settings and leave match and account nicking and what's more. So you can just simply select start game right here once more and you should be good to go. And that's it. It's super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.